what the future of this country did on our streets. This was not anger, this was not violence, this was not hatred, this was an expression, deep expression of the youth of this country. Student accepts that whatever he knows will be superseded later by new knowledge. Student understands that the universe is constantly changing, dynamic, in movement. And so student understands that knowledge is also constantly changing. Most important value of a student, she said to me. And she said, what is going on? Okay, sir. So she said, so I said, what about? I said, so sir, I said, okay, what about this other type of person who is not a student?
So letting me speak
So she said, the hallmark, she said, the student, she says the student wears the truth on his or her chest.
very excited.
Proudly, it's written here. And I said, what about the other type? She says the other type requires an image.
What the future of this country
It requires an image
did
and
on our streets.
as that image is not true.
This was not
Because the idiot is trying
was
to
not
pretend that he is God.
anger.
I'm
was
not
not
talking about
violence.
that. As it is not true, and the
was
idiot
not
is trying to
hatred.
pretend he's God, he has to
was an
create this
expression.
massive image.
Deep expression
Then I asked a question, sir. मैं सोचा
of the
कि यार
youth
ये
of this
सॉरी सर
country,
मैं सोचा कि ये
of the
स्टूडेंट
future
है
generation of this country.
और फिर
I
ये
feel
इडियट भी है. तो मैंने उससे पूछा एक बात बताओ, ये तीसरी कैटेगरी कहाँ जाती है?
including
ये तीसरी कैटेगरी कहाँ जाती है? उसने कहा कौन सी
Including
तीसरी कैटेगरी? मैंने कहा
my friends.
अंधभक्त. इसको कहाँ डाला
I'm
जाए?
pretty certain.
She says to me,
And I've seen
अंधभक्त
it.
is a person who is absolutely
If my friends
convinced
in the BJP were to
that
go
another idiot is God.
and ask their own children
So these are the three categories:
what they
student,
felt about what
idiot,
their brothers and
and
sisters were doing.
andhbhakt, who follows the idiot. Now, आगे जा रहा हूं.
Should be proud.
So, Speaker sir, I found this to be a very nice framework.
I thought I'm going to
And
be
this
giving a
framework
speech
came to
about
me from an 18-year-old girl, lovely
the next generation.
student, probably one of
And so I was
the
thinking, how do I
protesters
start
in
this
the Chhatron Ki Goonj programs.
What should be the starting point of this speech?
Sir, superficially,
A good starting point.
sir, लगता है,
Speaker, sir.
sir, superficially लगता है, would be a conversation
कि हमारे
I
जो
had
students हैं, with some
वो
students,
एग्जाम्स के बारे में बात
young girls,
वो
Which gave
एजुकेशन
me a
सिस्टम
very
के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं.
interesting perspective. It was their
वो शिक्षा की
perspective, but
कॉस्ट के
I
बारे में
think I
बात कर रहे
agree
हैं.
with
ये
this
सच है.
perspective. I'd like to lay this framework
Education
first
system is very expensive.
on the table. The question I asked the girl
More money
was,
is spent
you
on
said
one
to me
exam.
that you're a student.
What does this mean? On one exam, does it mean then is spent that you study in a government on our education budget? Does it mean that, sir, you study in a school? Does it mean you read books? 10 घंटे. What does it mean? Students पढ़ते हैं. She gave me the most beautiful answer. She said a student.
Sir,
But they're not right.
we will not allow anybody to talk. This is the point.
Because sir,
आप संसद
sir, I am not calling anybody that. Student is someone.
आप कोई ऐसे शब्द नहीं बोलेंगे।
I am not calling anybody that. The beginning. Sir, because sir, अगर इनको स्टूडेंट अगर इनको शब्द नहीं अच्छा लगता मैं दूसरा शब्द दे देता हूँ। मैं तो सीधे देता हूँ सर।
तो व्यवस्था तो मैंने दे दी है, जो संसद से उसको निकाल देंगे। आपको व्यवस्था देने की आवश्यकता नहीं है।
सर इडियट शब्द नहीं यूज करूंगा सर। I will not use.
is constantly changing.
ना डायनामिक सब बोलने तो दीजिए। In movement. सर अगर चाहते हैं
So student understands that knowledge is also
उसका प्रॉक्सी शब्द
नो,
most important value of the student.
आप
She said to me.
फिर मैं आपसे निवेदन कर रहा हूँ, विधेयक पर आप
I said,
बोले।
yeah, very good definition. What's the most
Sir,
important
sir,
value of a student? She said in 1 second. Humility.
आप विधेयक पर बोले, मैं हाउस
Please,
She said the student knows that you do not know the truth. The student respects
So because sir,
the truth of all other living beings, all other human beings.
I defined this young lady
Like Gandhiji said in his autobiography,
gave
the
me
search for
a
my truth.
beautiful framework, meaning
This is my truth,
three
not my
categories
truth.
of people.
Then I asked her the next question. I said,
found
you
this to
defined
be-
the category very well.
Because sir,
This category of student. Who else is there? She says there
to
is
keep
another
house
group
in
of
order, sir,
They are not
is your,
students.
is your esteemed
Who are they?
responsibility.
Sir, she says they are
The moment I
absolutely
open my mouth,
convinced
the
that they
entire
know
opposition
everything.
starts to shout.
they believe
Sir,
that the universe is static.
unparliamentary. Let us just
and
be
they
precise.
believe
It
that
is
knowledge emerges from
unparliamentary for me
inside
to
them.
use that word against another member of
They
parliament.
believe that
I
they are
have
God.
not used that word against anybody.
That everything that is to be known
I have just stated that this category exists.
is known to them.
Sir,
They
again
are
they're
arrogant.
going-
They are arrogant. They don't listen.
Because sir, अगर आप लोग
They don't
Sir, अगर
respect
आप
other
चाहते हैं
people's
कि इस
truth.
देश में
So I
सिर्फ
said,
बीजेपी
what do you call
बोले
these people?
तो मैं चुप होके यहाँ
She
बैठ
said,
जाता
I
हूँ।
call them
मैं
idiots.
बैठ जाता हूँ, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। सर रिजू जी खड़े हो जाते हैं, मैं बोलता हूँ खड़े हो जाते हैं, इंटरप्ट करते हैं। आप उनको मेरी रीड भी नहीं की आप उनको दे रहे हैं।
So there are three categories
No,
of
सर
people.
मैंने बोला नहीं सर कुछ। I'm not using the word. So she said to me, there is one category of people
there are
called
two
student.
categories.
विद्यार्थी. There are two categories in this world.
जो
The student. She said a farmer can be a student.
ढूंढता है.
A lawyer
then there
can
are
be
two
a
other
student.
categories which
I will not be a student. Unemployed youth can be a student. It's the thirst to learn, thirst to understand. Like a sponge. These categories
You want
have
to
take
natures.
everything in. You want to understand.
So the
It's
student is
beautiful.
never scared of the
It's-
truth.
It's
He
even
loves the truth.
respecting goes towards the truth of the universe. What about student?
These idiots.
Never uses force against
She says
somebody
to
else.
me,
These idiots. Because he knows
They
that
don't
that
listen to
person's
anything
truth is
anyone
different
says.
than my truth. What's it?
माननीय प्रतिपक्ष के नेता, मैं आपसे आग्रह करता हूँ,
सर मैंने इनका नाम ही नहीं लिया।
They do not like
आप सुनिए मेरी बात।
They
एक
need
मिनट,
an image.
एक सेकंड में, एक
They
मिनट,
need
एक मिनट, एक
force.
मिनट।
They need
माननीय प्रतिपक्ष के नेता, मेरा आपसे आग्रह है कि हम विधेयक पर चर्चा कर रहे हैं।
मैं कर रहा हूँ सर।
आप
मैं स्टूडेंट डिफाइन कर रहा हूँ
चर्चा करें,
सर।
ठीक रहेगा।
They were upset because of the
I am
education
defining a
system.
student, sir. I
They
will
were
let me
upset
carry on.
because they
Sir,
had to
so I
study
said-
hours and hours and
So I
hours.
said, sir,
And then people,
ये जो स्टूडेंट होता है,
some rich boy or girl
इसका लक्ष्य क्या होता है?
pays 30-40
तो
lakhs
उसने मुझे
rupees,
बोला, स्टूडेंट का
Gets
लक्ष्य
the
होता है कि
paper,
वो
gets the
सच्चाई
job.
के पीछे,
And जो
सच्चाई के
middle
पीछे
class
दौड़ता
का
रहता है।
गरीब student है,
उसके लिए सच्चाई
ईमानदार
मीठी
है,
होती है।
वो bypass
Truth
हो
is
जाता
sweet.
है. So they are upset because of these things.
Like Gandhi ji said,
And our system
the
is
windows
terrible.
of his house
It's terrible.
are
It's
open to
cruel.
all winds.
Lakhs and lakhs of
Then I
rupees
said,
are
what
taken
about
from the
India?
poorest people.
And she said,
Everything has been privatized. Paper leaks. Wrong papers are
Sir,
going.
So she said, so I said, what about?
I said it
I said,
in my meeting.
no, no. So sir, I said, okay, what about this other type of person
And it's a system that has been captured.
who is not a student?
It's a system that has been captured. The soul of the system has been captured by the RSS.
So she said,
The soul, sir.
Rajnath Singh ji said, sir please, the hallmark, she said, the student, sir Rajnath Singh ji said, she says the student, where Rajnath Singh ji said, that on his or her chest,
UPA.
proudly,
Our ministers
it's
never
written
resign.
here.
He's
And I
right.
said, what about the other type?
What has
She
happened
said
here?
the other type requires
The resignation
It
of
requires
Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan.
an image,
That's a superficial thing.
and
Because Dharmendra Pradhan never ran
as
the
that image is
education
not
ministry.
true, because the idiot
The
is
man
trying to pretend that he
And
is
the
God.
organization that runs the education ministry
I'm not talking about that.
is called the RSS.
As it is not true, and the idiot is trying to the man who runs it, God, he has to
obviously sitting
create
in the
this
minister's office.
massive image. Then I asked a question, sir. So मैं सोचा कि यार ये sorry sir, मैं
What the
सोचा
students are really
कि ये
irritated
स्टूडेंट
about
है और
is that
फिर
they are
ये
not allowed
idiot
to
भी
be
है।
students in India.
तो मैंने उससे पूछा
They are
एक
not
बात बताओ,
allowed
ये तीसरी कैटेगरी
to
कहा
follow
जाती
their
है,
passion. They are
ये
not
तीसरी
allowed
कैटेगरी कहा जाती है। उसने कहा
say
कौन सी
what they
तीसरी
want.
कैटेगरी? मैंने कहा
They are not allowed to ask the questions that they want. They have to
इसको कहाँ
buy
डाला जाए?
this
She says to me,
nonsensical
Andhbhak is a person
history that the
who is
RSS
absolutely
fantasizes.
convinced